Here at NIAR, our staff is trained to tackle the hardest problems. We use advanced manufacturing techniques, digital tools, and the advanced technologies in the manufacturing world to solve these hard problems. The thing we focus on here at NIAR is we always are looking at, well, not how other people are doing it, because when they've tried it that way, it hasn't been successful. So when they come to us, our approach is we tackle it in a totally different light. When we partner, we look for partners. We look at quality, consistency, reliability. All these factors play into streamlining our business, making us more competitive, and these things have to exist for us to be more successful in kind of the industry that I'm in. Most of the time, when companies are developing new products and they're implementing new technologies, they don't have the time and the resources to go out and get new softwares and technologies and machinery to do this. We are positioned in a way that allows us to have all these different technologies and softwares, machinery at our disposal. We want digital solutions to enhance our business. We want to use these solutions to further push manufacturing technologies, to make sure we are always on the leading edge of these technologies, to always get the best solutions out there. The different Sandvik brands we use are MASTERCAM, Vericut, and other machining optimization tools. We can use MASTERCAM to ultimately be more efficient on our production floor. MASTERCAM does a very good job of continuously investing in their product, making changes, and making sure they're on the leading edge of these new and advanced technologies. Vericut allows us to digitally look at a tool path before it hits the shop floor. What this does is make sure there's no errors in our process, and optimizes how we set up before it even goes out on the floor. We can digitally replicate the exact setup, and we don't waste that time when it is on the floor. So a customer can come to us and we can respond very quickly with all these resources we have to ensure that we get a solution for them. When we have to adapt very quickly, MASTERCAM allows us to make changes. They work with us to work on these solutions together. So the integration of the Sandvik products is extremely easy because they all intertwine and make it very easy to push along all of our platforms and the different softwares we use. This allows a very user-friendly approach to manufacturing. It saves us time when we are developing solutions for our customers because of the ease of use of these products. So this digital process allows us to be quicker, allows us to be more competitive, and it allows us to take all the air out for our customers, because when we are doing these projects, there is no room for error. These products allow us to be almost perfect in such cases. The Lighthouse program allows us to work together on a more intimate level to solve problems for our customers. Bringing in our expertise here at NIAR, working with Sandvik's team of experts and their vast knowledge gives us the upper hand when we take on these high research, R&D, and collaborative projects. Collaborative problem solving is the coolest thing that we've been able to achieve so far. Typically this happens when we have a problem that no one can figure out. What excites me is the collaboration between our groups. We work together and efficiently and have open streams of communication for solving these problems, and it goes both ways. My vision for the industry and beyond is a combination of new technologies. Obviously robotics and automation, AI, virtual reality, all different sorts of technologies will be incorporated in to the future of machining and manufacturing. And all of this is based on being leaner, more efficient, optimizing, and advancing new technologies to take over the old ways of doing things.